So let us begin the class. Sit in any comfortable position. Yes, now you are visible. Namaste.
Namaste.
Sit in any comfortable position. Spine straight, eyes closed. Adopt Gyanarchin Mudra. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale for one time Om followed by opening mantra. Om. Opening mantra, repeat after me.
Oh.
Yogena Chittasya
Yogena Chittashva
Padena Vacham
Padena Vacha
Malam Sarirasya
Malam Sarirasya
Chavaidhyakena
Jawe Sakinya
Yopakarotam
Yopa Karotam
Pravaram Muninam
Padaram Nomina
Patanjalim
Patanjalem
Pranjaliranatosmi
Pranjalilan Visnosi
Om.
Oh.
Join your both palms together in front of heart center. Bow down your head towards God, towards Mother Nature. Rub your both palms. Apply an eyes. Slowly and gently while blinking, open your eyes. Om Shanti.
Shanti.
So what we learned yesterday? Cranial bones and facial bones. Am I right?
No, it was just like about
Okay,
what
okay.
is
No,
anatomy
yeah. What is
and
anatomy
then
and
human
anatomical
physiology.
terms? Anatomical terms. Yes. Anatomy, physiology, and anatomical terms.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So today we will learn about skeletal system. Skeletal system. Write down skeletal system. Write down. It provides structure. It provides structure and protects internal organs. It provides structure and protects internal organs. There is two types of a skeletal system. There is two types of skeletal system. First one is exoskeleton, EXO, skeleton, 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 exoskeleton. An exoskeleton is the outer covering. An exoskeleton is the outer covering present on some animals. Present on some animals. Example, snail, snail, snail. Ant, ant. Clear?
Yeah.
It is outer covering of body, outer covering of body that protects the body is known as exoskeleton. Second one is endoskeleton. Endoskeleton. In this system, bones present inside the body. In this system, bones present inside the body. Example, all mammals. All mammals comes under endoskeleton. Including
Said
human.
examples are what?
All mammals. Mammals. Including human. Clear?
Yes.
Now, come to human skeleton. Human skeleton. Paraito, ma'am. Human skeleton. There are 206 bones in human skeleton. There are 206 bones in human skeleton. skeleton. These 206 bones divided into two groups. These 206 bones divided into two groups. Newborn baby have 300 bones. Newborn baby have 300 bones. The first group is axial skeleton. Write down the name of first group of human skeleton, axial skeleton. Axial skeleton have 80 bones. Axial skeleton have 80 bones. It includes all the bones. It includes all the bones along the central long axis. Along the central long axis. It includes all the bones along the central long axis. Look here. This is central long axis, our vertebral column. Clear? Is it visible? Bianca ma'am. Bianca ma'am. Am I audible? Axial skeleton. Am I audible? Bianca ma'am.
Yeah, it kicked me off again.
Now audible? Now am I audible?
Yes, the last thing I heard was about the 80 bones. It includes all the bones along the
Yeah.
central something.
Central long axis. Central long axis. Central long, L-O-N-G, A-X-I-S. Write down. This is central long axis. It includes all the bones along with central long axis. It includes, write down, it includes skull. This part is skull. मैं अकेला रहा गया. Now am I audible? Am I
Yes.
audible? Yes. It includes skull, including middle ear bone, including middle ear bones, and hyoid bone. And hyoid bone, it includes skull, including middle ear bones and hyoid bone. Hyoid, hyoid bone. Hyoid. Vertebral column. Vertebral column. VERTEBRAL. Vertebral column. And thoracic cage. This part. Thoracic cage. Clear? It includes skull, including middle ear bones and head bone, vertebral column, and thoracic cage. Next, appendicular skeleton. Second part is appendicular skeleton. APPENDICULAR. Appendicular skeleton. SKELETON. Appendicular skeleton. Appendicular skeleton have 126 bones. How many bones?
126.
Yeah, 126 bones. It includes all the bones that form. It includes all the bones that form pectoral girdle, PECTORAL, pectoral girdle, GIRDLE, PECTORAL, pectoral, GIRDLE, pectoral girdle, that is shoulder girdle. Upper arm, not upper arm, upper limb, UPPERLIMB, upper limb. Pelvic girdle, PELVIC, pelvic girdle, GIRDLE. And lower limb, LOWER, lower LIMB, limb. Clear?
Yes. You said the upper and the lower
Yeah.
limbs.
Pectoral girdle, upper limb, pelvic girdle, and lower limb. So now come to axial skeleton. Again, write down axial skeleton. It protects the internal organs. It protects the internal organs like lungs and heart. Lungs and heart. It is divided into three groups. It is divided into three groups. First one is the skull. SKULL, skull. Plus middle ear bone and hyoid bone. Middle ear bones and hyoid bone, HYOID. Second part is vertebral column. Second part is vertebral column, VERTEBRAL, vertebral column. Third is thoracic cage, THORACIC, thoracic cage, CAGE. Now write down the first group, skull. SKULL, skull. Skull rests, skull rests, RESTS, rests on upper end of vertebral column. Skull rests on upper end of vertebral column. And supports and protects the brain and supports and protects the brain it protects the structure of face. It protects the structure of face. It is divided into two categories or two groups. It is divided into two groups. It is divided into two groups. The first one is cranial bones. CRANIAL, cranial bones. CRANIAL, cranial bones, BONES. Peritoneum, peritoneum, Bianca ma'am.
Okay.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes. You are disconnecting time to time.
Yeah, it's worse today for some reason. I don't know if it's because of the storm or not.
Yeah. It is divided into two groups. First one is cranial bone, CRANIAL, cranial bones, and second one is facial bones, FACIAL, facial bones. Write down the first group, cranial bones. Cranial bones.
It's breaking up. You said it's divided into how many parts?
Two parts, cranial, CRANIAL, cranial bones, BONES, and second one is cranial. First one is cranial, CRANIAL. Clear?
Yes.
Second is facial, FACIAL, facial bone. Okay. Write down the first part, cranial bones. cranial, cranial bones.
Okay, cranial, facial. What is the third one?
Not third one. There is only two groups, cranial and facial. And now we are going to learn about cranial bones in detail. Hello. Hello.